Hey tech fans, welcome back to Review Realm. Today we're diving into the 5 best packing cubes 2025. From game-changing features to standout performance, these are the must-have products you need to know about. Ready to see which one fits your needs? Let's jump right in. Number 5, Benesting Packing Cubes. Benesting Packing Cubes are a game-changer for frequent travelers and organization enthusiasts. These cubes stand out with their high-quality fabric, durable zippers and thoughtful design, making packing and unpacking seamless. The cubes come in multiple sizes, perfect for sorting clothes, toiletries, and accessories efficiently. They're lightweight yet robust, which ensures they don't add extra bulk to your luggage while protecting your items. The ventilated mesh tops are another great feature, allowing you to quickly identify contents without rummaging through your entire suitcase. What sets Benesting Packing Cubes apart is their attention to detail. The double-stitched seams and sturdy handles reflect excellent craftsmanship, built to endure the rigors of travel. The range of vibrant colors and minimalist patterns adds a touch of style, catering to different tastes. Additionally, the cubes are incredibly versatile. They can double as drawer organizers or gym bag separators, making them useful beyond travel. They're also eco-friendly, made with sustainably sourced materials, which is a big win for environmentally conscious consumers. Overall, Benesting Packing Cubes elevate the travel experience by helping you stay organized and stress-free. Whether you're embarking on a weekend getaway or a long-haul journey, these cubes maximize luggage space and make it easy to access what you need on the go. For their durability, functionality, and aesthetic appeal, Benesting Packing Cubes are worth every penny and make a thoughtful gift for anyone who loves to travel. Number 4, Peak Design Packing Cubes. The Peak Design Packing Cubes bring a sleek and innovative approach to luggage organization, perfect for travelers who prioritize functionality and aesthetics. Made from weatherproof recycled nylon and high-quality materials, these cubes are built to endure heavy use and harsh conditions while keeping your items safe and dry. The standout feature is their unique dual-compartment design, allowing you to separate clean and dirty clothes effortlessly. The self-healing zippers ensure longevity, while the stretchable compression system helps maximize packing space without straining the cube's structure. These packing cubes are thoughtfully designed for ease of use. The tearaway zippers make access quick and intuitive, while the internal dividers provide superior organization compared to traditional single-compartment cubes. They come in a minimalist, elegant style that matches Peak Design's aesthetic philosophy, making them a natural fit for their other travel gear. Available in various sizes, these cubes can accommodate everything from bulky winter wear to smaller essentials like socks and undergarments. Their water-resistant materials ensure peace of mind when navigating unpredictable weather or handling spills in transit. For those looking for premium packing solutions, the Peak Design Packing Cubes are an excellent investment. While they may come at a higher price point than some competitors, the advanced features and durable construction justify the cost. Whether you're a seasoned globetrotter or an occasional adventurer, these cubes enhance the packing experience, keeping your luggage tidy, accessible, and stylish throughout your journey. Number 3, Eagle Creek Packet Original Packing Cubes for Travel. Eagle Creek's Packet Original Packing Cubes are a timeless choice for travelers who value simplicity and efficiency. Known for their durable and lightweight construction, these cubes help streamline the packing process while keeping your belongings secure and organized. Made with 300D poly microweave fabric, they are built to withstand the wear and tear of frequent use. Their mesh tops provide excellent visibility and ventilation, allowing you to identify items quickly and prevent odors from building up in your suitcase. One of the key advantages of Eagle Creek's packet system is its modular design. The cubes come in a variety of sizes, from small to large, making it easy to customize your packing for trips of any length. The durable handles are convenient for grabbing and transferring cubes, whether you're repacking during layovers or organizing in a hotel room. The smooth, sturdy zippers glide effortlessly, adding to the overall ease of use. Their simple design and variety of neutral colors make them a versatile choice for all types of travelers, from backpackers to business professionals. The Eagle Creek Packet Original Packing Cubes offer excellent value for money, combining practicality and durability at an affordable price. They are a reliable choice for anyone looking to save time packing and maximize luggage space. Whether you're organizing clothing, accessories, or toiletries, these cubes make traveling less stressful and more enjoyable, making them a must-have addition to your travel gear. Number 2, Trip Travel Gear Compression Packing Cubes. Compression packing cubes are a revolutionary solution for travelers looking to make the most of limited luggage space. These cubes combine the functionality of traditional packing cubes with the added benefit of compression zippers that reduce bulk. Made from lightweight but durable materials such as nylon or polyester, they're designed to compress clothing by removing excess air, allowing you to fit more into your suitcase or backpack. Whether you're traveling for a week or a weekend, they're especially useful for minimizing the space taken up by bulky items like sweaters and jackets. One of the key advantages of compression packing cubes is their versatility. They come in various sizes, suitable for everything from t-shirts and pants to undergarments and accessories. Many feature dual zipper systems, one for packing and the other for compression, ensuring items stay tightly secured. Despite their ability to compress, these cubes don't compromise on organization, as their structured design helps keep your clothes wrinkle-free and easy to access. High-quality options often include mesh panels for visibility and ventilation, ensuring your clothes stay fresh during long trips. Overall, compression packing cubes are a game-changer for efficient travelers. They not only maximize luggage space but also help streamline the packing and unpacking process, saving time and reducing stress. While they might come at a slightly higher cost than standard packing cubes, their durability and functionality make them a worthwhile investment. Perfect for everything from business trips to adventure travel, compression cubes ensure you can pack smarter, not heavier. Number 1. Begale 8 Set Packing Cubes. The Begale 8 Set Packing Cubes offer an excellent budget-friendly option for travelers looking to stay organized on their journeys. This set includes 8 pieces in varying sizes from extra-large to small cubes, ensuring there's a spot for everything, whether it's your bulky sweaters or compact toiletries. Made with lightweight, durable nylon fabric and sturdy zippers, these cubes are built to endure frequent use without adding extra weight to your luggage. The mesh panels on top allow for easy identification of contents, saving time when you're on the go. One of the standout features of the Begale packing cubes is their versatility. The range of sizes means you can customize your packing based on your trip's needs, whether you're heading on a weekend getaway or a long vacation. They're also great for separating clean and dirty laundry during travel or for organizing items by category. The set's lightweight design makes it a great choice for those trying to avoid excess baggage fees, while the double-stitched seams ensure durability. The vibrant color options also let you personalize your travel gear while making your packing cubes easy to spot. For travelers seeking an affordable yet functional solution, the Begale 8 Set Packing Cubes deliver excellent value. While they may lack the compression capabilities or premium materials of higher-end brands, their practicality and range of sizes make them a solid choice for most travel needs. Whether you're packing for yourself or a family, these cubes simplify the packing process and keep your luggage neat and organized. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech reviews and updates. If you're interested in buying any of the products we covered today, check out the links in the description below for the best deals. Let me know in the comments which one caught your eye or if you have any questions. Until next time, keep exploring the world of tech. See you in the next video.